Hey boy, how you doing? La da dee, la da da, la da doo, la da. Hello everybody, welcome back to your favorite QuaranTubers channel. My name is Colton Krause, and I am here today with you in your own home, while I'm in my own home. Stopping the curve. Okay. So today I'm gonna take you through an everyday sort of makeup look. Well, that's what we're doing. An everyday look for you to wear inside your beautiful homes. I'm already primed with the Ole Henriksen brightening gel situation. And yeah, I'm gonna put my hair back and then we're just gonna jump right into this video. So like, subscribe. Oh, I should have said that earlier. But if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go subscribe right now and click that bell button so you will always be notified when I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, hair's all pushed back. I'm back. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you know, first I usually start with contour in the underneath, but for everyday makeup I don't really do that. It's a lot of commitment. Not really into it. So we're just gonna jump right into the foundation. I use Lancome, something ultra wear. I'm not gonna pretend like I know how to say that because I don't know how to say that. But it has SPF 15 in it, which is why I like it. And it has like a more natural finish. This is it. And I use shade 130 Ivory Neutral. Maybe. I'm gonna guess. That's what it said. What I do is I shake it up. And I do like 3, maybe 4-ish. No, 3. It's like 3. Okay. And then I just dot, dot, dot.
Dot, dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. All over the face.
And I still use the spraying trick. And then, Beauty Blender. It is damp. And then we just blend it out. Okay. Oh, blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna bring you in a little closer to see it. See, it's just natural. It is medium coverage, as you can see. It's not covering up all of these little blemishes, but I think it's really pretty. Did you like my pajamas? Christmas. Okay. Next, I go on with my concealer, and I'm going in with Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 1.25. And I do the situation where I go
Boop, 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 boop. We do still want coverage, but we don't need that much coverage. And then line. And same thing.
Then we wait. Okay, now I'm gonna blend my under eyes out. Oh, boom, boom. Blended. Next, I'm gonna go in with that KOSAS. Boop. Going in with this shade. Boop, boop. Glow. Where's that? I'm gonna just stop the creasing here. And then I'm gonna set the under eye. What has your guys' daily routines been like? I want to know. Let me know in the comment below. Like, what have you been doing all day during this time of quarantine? Oh, I'm taking translucent powder. Laura Mercier. Just gonna boop, boop. But yeah, what have you been doing? Like, what TV shows have you been watching? Movies? Let me know all the tea. Now that we're all powdered up. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender and I'm just gonna press it into the skin. Now that that step's done, I am now going to bronze in Fenty Beauty bronzer in Inda. And yeah, so we're just gonna get some of that, saturate, dust it off, blow it, and then go in right on the cheeks, just to really get that glow. I love a glow. Like a sun-kissed, oh sorry, I'm blocking. I could have done better. Okay, next step is blush, and it's BECCA. It's really cracked. I broke it. But it's so pretty and has like gold flakes in it, and is really aggressive on my skin, but I kind of want to use it. It's in Camellia? Don't know. And then we're just gonna put it right on the cheeks. Really pink. Really pink. I'm gonna blend this out a little with my beauty blender because that looks a little kooky. That side doesn't look as bad. Maybe it does. I'm gonna just do that though. Blend it out. Yep, that's it. Okay, now we're gonna go in with highlight. We're just gonna go in with Mean Money or Hustler Baby. I don't remember which one it is, honestly. Okay, work. And then we're gonna spray it. Okay, great. Take that out. We're gonna move on to the eyes. Ready, set, we're back. We're gonna go in with the eyes. I'm gonna use the Conspiracy palette by Dawson, Jeffree Star, you know. And we're just gonna do like a neutral eye look situation. There isn't gonna be any liner today just cause you know, it's your everyday look. You don't need to put liner on every day, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go in with Tanacon as a transition. I already have Fenty Beauty in there as a transition as well, but just to deepen it up a little. Yep, so that's it. And then I'm gonna also take it on a smaller brush, more precise brush, to do the bottom lashes. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna go in with this brush. And I'm gonna go in with Just a Theory. Can you tell? See, like, playing. Ugh. But then, like, this just adds, like, a glimmer. Ooh. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now for the inner corner. We are going to grab this smaller, more precise. We're gonna go in with Ranch. Next, I'm just gonna spray my whole face again, set it. And as that kind of dries, I'm gonna take this curling lashes. And then I'm gonna go in with, where is it? Here it is. This Fenty Beauty, you know, the new use. Fenty Beauty in full frontal. Mascara. Gonna take that on my lashes. Boost them up. Look at those lashes. Let's take it back. And then for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna go in with this Lancome DEFINICILS. It's French though, so I'm not saying it right. Anyways, but it's like more of a natural shade, and I use this on the bottom lashes when I do natural looks, just because I don't like as much pigment down there. And there it is. Okay. So, I'm gonna go and do my hair, put a look on, and do my lips in the Demi Matte Huda Beauty in the shade Shiro. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, that's it for our video. Make sure to subscribe, like, you know, do all the things, give it a thumbs up, ring the bell so you get my notifications. And yeah, until next time, which will probably be tomorrow. I think next is gonna be my night skincare. Part 1, because I have multiple parts with it, but yeah, I digress. Stay healthy out there. Make sure you are getting your fresh air because you need that, and social distance yourself from everyone. Okay, I love you guys so much. Here we go.